Can you change Google Play Store country? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can check out your Google Play Store. Ensure an account is connected to your Play Store. Then tap on the user icon that is at the very top in the right hand side corner. From here, click on the settings option. Expand the general option. There you will see account and device preferences. Click on it. Now right over here you will see country and profile. Here you will see the existing country. At the bottom it will notify you that you should only change your play country only when you move to a new country, or you may see content relevant to the general area you are in based on your IP address. So let's go ahead and bust a myth as well. The myth is if you head over to your phone settings and gradually change your device country, then you'll be able to change the country of your Play Store as well. However, let me go ahead and show you that it will not change anything. As you can see, the country right over here that I have selected as my device country is Bhutan. However, in the Google Play Store, as you can see, with the help of the IP address, it will locate the original country from where I am working from. So this is how you'll be able to know in which country the Google Play Store will automatically read it out. Unfortunately, you won't be able to switch it for now until and unless you actually move to a different country. Hopefully this video was informative to you. Thank you.